Yeah. Hello everyone, my name is Sunny and I'd like to introduce my personal experience to you. Have you ever been in a situation there is a fire? Maybe it's very scary, but unfortunately I was in that kind of situation 2 years ago. At that time I was 19 years old and I was the third grade of the high school, so I was preparing for university entrance exam. It was one summer day and it was around midnight and I was studying at the private study room near my house. I was just studying hard, really. And suddenly one man who was working there as a part-timer came into my room and shouted that there is a fire. And he said that we have to evacuate right now, but we couldn't get out of the building because the fire was at the first floor of the building at the Baskin-Robbins ice cream store. So we have to go to the top of the building. And it was not that easy because there was full of smoke. I was really scary and I was almost crying and I didn't know what to do. But the man guided us and he repeatedly said that we have to be in a row and do not be messy and carefully go to the top of the building. So I followed him, but I was crying. But I was in a row, followed him, and all the students were too young to deal with that problem, so we were all embarrassed and cried. But we were in a row to follow his orders. So I felt that I was almost choked to the death. But it wasn't true, but I felt that because I couldn't breathe easily because of smoke, so I cried and I found that there was full of smoke and I cried and cried. Anyway, finally I reached to the top of the building and there were many students and they were in a row. We waited for half an hour to the firemen and eventually they arrived and we were evacuated and we could get out of the building. After the accident, I got 3 things. One thing is that do not imagine anything whenever you are in a bad situation because it makes the situation worse. At that time, I imagined that I took to the death, but it wasn't true and it made the situation worse. So I think do not imagine anything and be realistic. And second thing I got was be in a room because he always said that be in a room to try to guide us to the right direction, and I think it was the best policy whenever the situation is bad and urgent. And the third thing I got was the free coupon from the Baskin-Robbins ice cream store. It was my talking experience, and I said this to you to tell about it. Yeah, thank you.